Setting up the buttons correctly is important to make sure your i.safe mobile device works as expected. Hi, my name is Leo, and if you are wishing to know how to properly configure the way each physical button of our i.safe mobile devices should work, please don't miss this video. Each i.safe mobile push-to-talk model device comes with different physical buttons layout. Some of them are standard buttons, such push-to-talk or volume keys, while others are programmable buttons, or even external ones such as those on our wired or Bluetooth RSM accessories, allowing you more capabilities and features. To get the best results, each i.safe mobile push-to-talk device comes with a preloaded settings option menu that allows you to configure the behavior of these buttons. Before getting started, make sure that the application you intend to use was previously tested by its developer together with i.safe Mobile for that specific device model. If you are using an i.safe Mobile push-to-talk device that comes with AppWord pre-installed, congratulations! You can be sure that all the applications listed there have already been tested. Saying this, and after you have the application installed properly and eventually licensed, you can follow these steps to reach the button's behavior. Here I have my IS440.1 that comes with AppWord pre-installed. I just installed some push-to-talk applications on it, and I need to configure the behavior of its buttons and keys. To do this, I need to go to Settings, scroll down to Function Keys, and tap on it. Here, I can see all the available key settings I can do on the IS440.1. You can also assign a function to the optional or programmable keys. Each key supports both short press and long press actions and also includes the option to wake up the device. Short press action lets you assign a function that it is triggered when the key is pressing briefly. Long press action allows you to assign a function that activates when the key is held down. If the wake device option is enabled, pressing the key will wake up the device. If it is disabled, the device must be woken up first before the key can perform any action. Side key left is the option in the list that corresponds to the dedicated PTT key. As an example, let's configure the function key M1 as a redundant PTT key as well. Function key red shows the configuration related to the dedicated SOS button. I will also configure the programmable button M2 as a redundant SOS key. To finish, I will configure the rotary knob located on the top of the device with the value in-app search to act as a channel or group selector, similar to a traditional radio. Let's test now how the application responds to the button's configuration we just set. Now we have learned how to configure the buttons properly on our i.safe mobile devices to get the best performance based on the application we are using. If you have discovered a great setup for some specific apps and you want to share with us, we would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.